video I wanted to show you some of the really nice NPI features in our new MX series of machines. First off, this is the overall programming user interface. These are the components that are on this particular product. These are the front and rear feeder bars. You can see the components, the feeder size, and the locations. On the pick tab, and then simply the place tab are your mount positions. Very simple, logical user interface. When you're first setting up a program, the first thing you want to do is probably check the pick positions of the parts and the vision files for the components. So you can go through a mode that will actually check the components, pick position, which any machine can do. However, you are also overlaying the vision file for the component on top of the part, so you can verify that the vision file is correct, at least dimensionally, for the part, and the pick orientation is correct. In this case, you see SOT 323. You can verify that the lead's pitch is correct and that the pick polarity is correct with the component in the pocket. So now you have reset or checked all the components. You go through this one by one very rapidly in auto mode. Then you want to verify maybe the QFP lets verify the actual vision file just to make sure. So we pick apart and vision it just like a normal vision system does. In this case, we say no error, it means it's a good part. However, instead of putting the part in a dump position on a dump belt, we can actually put the part back into the pocket that it came from, because the machine is in NPI mode and these are electronic smart feeders and they did not index. So you could put the part back into them. They will index if you want them, but they normally don't index when you're in NPI mode. So now you've verified all your parts that you want to verify the vision files on and have not used a single part because the parts all went back in the pocket. Again, that's a useful feature. You may have only a limited number of parts if you have a small run, maybe no extras, and so you don't have to use any or hand place any later. Or they might be expensive parts as well. So next you go into the place data. Here we utilize what we call our virtual sticky tape on the machine capability. And we once again use the pick function, and we will verify the pick positions and the mount positions. We are locating the vision file for the component and overlaying it over a raw board right on the pad in the product. And we'll step through, and I put a bad SOT right here. You can see the rotation is incorrect. So I stop the process, correct the rotation. So this should be 0 instead of 90. Then I go back and then rerun the pick function, and we'll verify that we did fix that part. And there it is. And of course you can go in auto mode and run through the entire board and check out that one. Thank you.